I say we go get weird in the 70s.
Excellent idea.
I got the perfect outfit.
So was unclear with his instructions to remain on board.
Shut it, metal mouth.
You want to dance, Leonard?
You go right ahead. I'll watch.
Suit yourself. Now I can stand for a little help.
We go out for one lousy drink, and you guys somehow manage to pick a fight with Boba Fett.
Can you stop doing that? Oh, you do have a sentimental side.
It's not a keepsake, it's a reminder.
Of what?
That even the best laid plans can go sideways. Spent a lot of time prepping for that heist, casing the target, memorizing shift changes and delivery schedules, and then surprise, turns out they'd upgraded their security system. We had to bolt. 3 weeks of planning, and all I have to show for it
Was a lousy pinky ring. So sad.
Considering I'm about to trade my life for nothing, I think I came out ahead.
The time drive is back online.
Strap in.
I consider myself to be a broad-minded individual, but this is a lot to take in.
And why are you telling me this?
Seem to be the only other person on this boat who isn't a super genius or reincarnated freak show.
Actually, I was dead for a year.
Hey, I'm just trying to make conversation.
Yeah, I could tell by the way you're staring at my ass. How did you even know that was down there?
When Rip first recruited us, I made it my business to case every square inch of this tub in the event there was something worth stealing. There wasn't. Let's get out of here.
And I'm not going anywhere without the rest of the team.
Maybe I didn't make myself clear.
Don't do that. Don't act like you're that same cold-hearted bastard that I first met. I remember Russia, and you were the one who told me not to kill Stein.
Yeah, because you seem to have a problem with being a killer. I, however, don't.
Prove it. Shoot me. I mean, I don't like you, but at least I'm not dying alone.
Closest I ever came to dying was, the day I met Mick.
Why does that not surprise me?
It wasn't like that. It was my first day in juvie. I was 14 and the smallest kid in there by far. Some of the older kids wanted to make sure I knew it. So they jumped me. I fought back, but one of them had a shiv. I figured that was it. Until Mick stepped in. And they didn't mess with me after that. He's been standing up for me ever since.
Let's just hope he's standing up for Rip and Jax now.
Who else is gonna take on those pirates? It's the things I didn't do keep me up at night.
What's that?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's being on this ship, traveling through time. Started to wonder what the future might hold for me. And you. And me and you.
You want to steal a kiss from me, Leonard? You better be one hell of a thief.
My old friend, please forgive me.
For what?
Get him out of here!
No.
Just do it.